Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a background and add a new one. Let's begin. Removing the background from a video and adding a new one in Capcut is a powerful technique that allows you to create stunning visual effects. This is particularly useful for content creators who want to change the environment and add a new scene, or maybe create a professional looking green screen effect without needing specialized equipment. So once you open the Capcut app, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you haven't already, just go to the new project, click that, and begin your work and start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this instead, and I wanted to remove a specific background from a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna click the overlay section here at the bottom, and I'm going to add a new video. Here, I'm gonna look for something like angry, and I'm gonna choose this guy right here, maybe this one right here. I'm gonna add this on my timeline. I'm gonna delete this one for now. It's kind of confusing. And I'm gonna go to the section. I'm gonna go to the aspect ratio, so we can change this right here to a landscape. For example, this 16 by 19, so it's a lot easier, right? And then here, since we have that, I'm gonna click on OK and delete this one right here. And then the video, I'm gonna select the video. And then I'm gonna click the option that says remove background or remove BG. I'm gonna click on the auto removal, and then I'm gonna click on that. And then I'm going to add an overlay again. And from the library, let's say, I'm gonna look for sky or thunder. For example, maybe we're gonna be hovering this effect right here. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click on add, wait for it to load, takes a little while, and then click on add. I'm gonna select the video right here. I'm gonna select the video right here to create a length. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to the both of these guys, go to the overlay section. And then hover down here at the bottom and look for the layers. It's very important to select the layers because we wanted to move the subject going to the front right here. You see that? Then of course you can resize the image right here to blend perfectly well with the video. And then that's how you remove a background and add a new one. It's kind of easy. Click the check button. Let's try to play this from the very beginning right here. So as you can see, we have achieved that because sometimes the background can be distracting or irrelevant. Removing the background helps you keep focus on the main subject. Replacing a plain or a cluttered background with a more professional or stylish one background like here can elevate the video and make it appear more polished right here. And then once you're happy with that, just click the export button. If you wanted to send this to your client for feedback, or maybe if you want to create a copy of yours, just click that OK. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.